This is the RaeRo show.
My name is Roman.
My name is Megan.
And we are here for our family food prep tonight. So what's for dinner tonight?
We got
Nope.
Zucchini.
We got squash
Right.
and zucchini. We're gonna
Okay.
be cutting
And what
them
else?
up.
And what else? And we have sugar snap peas.
We got sugar snap peas.
Okay, so the kids are gonna start chopping up the vegetables, and we're gonna put them in a roasting pan. And I have frozen shrimp actually thawing in the sink right now.
If you guys can hear it, you can.
And also, I lost two.
Yes, you lost the tooth. But you already told them that in the last video. What's something new today? Anything new today? Anything new today? What did Roman do today?
Today I had 2 baseball games.
Yeah.
We lost the first one, and we won the second one, 14-5.
I think it was 18-5. Actually.
I
so.
can't cut it.
18-5. So go Rays!
Go Myrtle Beach Rays. Yep, so we had a long day. We had an hour travel. We were out the door by 6:30 in the morning, and we came back about 4:30. And we ran out of meals from Wednesday. So Wednesday we prepped about 8 meals, and that last day, actually we had one more in there. But we're a little bit hungry, and we had shrimp in the freezer. We had zucchini and squash and sugar snap peas, and we're gonna make rice on the side as our carbohydrate. Roman's head's in my way, so you can see me a little bit. So once the kids get everything prepped, and if you haven't seen our previous videos, these knives are plastic, they're serrated, but they're great for the kids, and they love to just make sure that you want them a little bit smaller than this. Yeah, this is a good size. Teach them about cutting up the veggies. So they're throwing all the veggies in a pan. Yep, there you go. And the big pieces we're gonna chop in half, okay? So we have squash, we have zucchini, we have sugar snap peas. We're gonna toss them with a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper and pop them in the oven at 350 for about 15-20 minutes. In the meantime, we'll do our 5-minute rice in the microwave. The shrimp will actually, I'll have Roman pop that and cook that in our pot with sweet and sour sauce.
I did it.
So, good job.
I did it.
All right, let's put the sugar snap peas. Roman, go back and forth, please. Don't chop it like that. But it's fun to get the kids involved in this, and it teaches them about vegetables. It teaches them about how to have a protein in your meal, make sure we have protein in our meal, to have vegetables in our meals, and then to have a carbohydrate in our meal, but we want to really focus on a complete meal. So we always stick with putting a protein in our dinners. Right? I said no, and sometimes we fight, but we're not going to fight, okay, we're not going to be too big, and we're not going to fight, or sometimes I choose one or the other to help me in the kitchen, because they're brother and sister, they're going to fight. I mean, what are you going to do? And we have that one fell on the floor. Even though it goes in the oven, the ones that fall on the floor, either the dogs get, thank goodness, or we throw it in the garbage, right?
And Reagan had a birthday party today.
I was about to say that.
Just tell them what you did there.
Yeah, what did you do at the birthday party? Huh? What did you do at the birthday party? These have to be cut in half, baby. Okay, once you cut them, then you cut them in halves. The zucchini is a little bit hard to cut. this size might be a little bit better for her to cut. And don't forget, we're gonna throw the sugar snap peas in there as well.
Brittany, hand me the green one. You cut the yellow one.
That's fine. Still fine. Okay. Go ahead. That's good sharing. So normally we get through this without fighting. Roman, your big head is in my way.
Oh gosh.
The plastic knives aren't the easiest to cut with sometimes, but
We make them work.
we make it work. That's right.
Is this good?
Yep, perfect. After we cook everything, we're gonna pause the video a little bit, and again, these kids' heads aren't my way. We're gonna pause the video a little bit. After the kids are done prepping, we'll pop this in the oven. We're gonna make our 5-minute rice,
Then we
and
come back.
we're gonna come back. Roman's gonna cook shrimp that we
All
de-thawed
by
in the refrigerator.
myself.
Yep. And we're gonna put the sweet and sour sauce on top. Very simple. And we'll put our meals together in our containers.
Like last video.
Yep, like our last video. So this is video number what?
2.
2. We did 2 videos. So we're gonna do our family food prep videos at least once a week, maybe twice, depends on
What we
how many
have,
peas in
like
there.
baseball or karate
Something.
or anything like that.
Yeah, even though we're very busy throughout the week, we come together and make our meals. Very good. Okay, we're done, almost done with our veggies. Let's show them our veggies. Good job. Can you tilt it up a little bit, Ray?
No.
I got it.
Okay, we're not gonna fight on video, right? Good job. So we're gonna do a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper on there, and pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes
Then we
until
come
they
back.
get soft and tender, and then we'll come back and everything will be cooked and we'll put it together. Okay? Say, what do you say, Ray?
Bye-bye.
We'll-
Fast mode.
We'll be
We'll be back. Fast
We'll be
mode.
back.
Welcome back.
So, right now we
Wait,
have.
I need to say the RaeRo show.
Go ahead, say it.
This is the RaeRo show.
Right now we have our
We have
vegetables that we cooked up earlier.
Then we have chicken. Then we have rice.
We got shrimp
Trim.
Then
that we told you to
rice.
make.
Then we have
Then we
rice.
got rice over here.
Right.
So Reagan's gonna pour the rice inside the bowls. Then she's gonna hand them to me. I'm gonna pour in the shrimp and then pour in the vegetables.
Okay, let's switch the veggies, and we're gonna switch the veggies and the shrimp because the shrimp go last on top. All right, so go ahead, Ray. We're gonna do a half a cup of rice, so we don't make sure we go over our rice portion of our carbohydrates. Go ahead, Ray. You're gonna put in the rice and pass it down. Okay. So the key with family meal prep, or the key with meal prepping, period, full scoop. Can't skimp on the rice. It's only half a cup. Okay, put it in. And you can always fill it in later. But about a half a cup of rice. And the most important thing, you can leave it right where it is, Roman. Everything, we're gonna just pour everything together, okay? We're gonna get a good scoop of veggies in there. That's a better scoop. And then we're gonna make sure we at least get a palm size full of protein, whatever protein of your choice. Tonight we chose, I quickly cooked shrimp. It was frozen shrimp. And I poured a bottle of sweet and sour rice. That's a good portion. Pour it on top, Ro. That's perfect.
This
Okay.
is when our first one came out.
There you go. So you have your protein source. About 20 to 25 grams of protein in that bowl. You have plenty of vegetables to keep you full, so plenty of fiber. And when you have all that together, you don't need as much carbohydrate. Normally, if you look on most plates, people load up their plates with carbohydrates or rice, and or pasta, and they don't really focus on their protein. Okay. And then when people try,
On top.
he's doing just good. Just good. And then when people try to go on diets and lose weight, they always say, totally delete the carbohydrates when in reality it's all about portion control. Okay? So we're doing pretty good. We're going to do a little bit more rice. How many meals do we have so far?
2.
3.
3. Okay. A big, good scoop. You gotta fill that up.
Rice with dinner.
You can have rice with dinner. And you can choose other types of carbohydrates. Rice is quick and easy.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. And then when you get the kids involved, it's fun. You just make it fun and you're together. And it teaches them about different foods. It teaches them about portion sizes. And the best part too, no, we're not gonna lick our fingers. Right? Don't lick your fingers.
I want one.
Okay. And you teach them about sanitary things and just being in the kitchen, period. Ro, we want to do a little more veggies. Look at all these veggies. So we have a huge bowl of veggies that I'm going to go back and I'm going to fill these plates with vegetables. And how many? Sanitary. We don't lick our products, do we? Do we need more bowls?
Yeah.
The audience gets a kick out of that. So we have a couple more bowls. We only have probably about one more scoop of shrimp to go. So how many plates do we have so far?
6.
We have 6 right now? Full scoop. Full scoop, and we're not going to lick our fingers or our utensils, right? Let me see that. Is that at least the size of your hand? Palm? Your hand? Okay. How many do we have? So,
7.
if we get down to the price of things, I bought a bag of frozen shrimp for it. They were buy one, get one free at Kroger, and that was $10. And one second, I got a package of, I got my vegetables at Aldi. So if you ever go to Aldi or you have an Aldi near you, their produce is very inexpensive. So
And also,
Go.
Alexa come.
yes, we had a babysitter today, didn't we?
And Mommy, Roman, Daddy, Roman had a baseball game.
Yes,
And I didn't go because I had a babysitter.
that's right. So you had a birthday party, right? All right, back to the tallying. We had the $10 of shrimp, bag of shrimp. The zucchini package was $1.49. Nope, $1.19 at Aldi. That was the zucchini. The squash was the same in a package. The sugar snap peas were $2, so that's 2, 3, 4. So we're up to $14. The box of rice was $1.79 at Aldi. So I'm gonna round it out. So 10, 11, 12. 13, 14. So let's just say it was $15. And how many dishes did we get, Roman? How many, Roman? They're waiting. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meals. So 7? Oh, I'm missing one. There's 7 meals. So you're going to say it's a little over $2 a meal, which is really not bad at all. And we have a couple more shrimp. We have more rice left over, which the kids like plain. And I'm going to still fill up the bowls with a little more vegetables. Or save them for an omelet the next day. So a little over $2.30, a little over $2. 7 meals. You want to show everybody what we're having for dinner?
I'm going to show. We're having.
Show them our final product. Very good. So we're going to put all 7 in the refrigerator. We'll pop it in the microwave. It'll last us for lunch and dinners for a few days at least. We have another baseball tournament tomorrow, so we're going to be out all day. When we come home, go Rays. When we come home, I don't have to worry about cooking. And Monday, we're going to have lunches already to go. So possibly Monday or Tuesday we'll meal prep again, and we have Tostitas coming up.
And also, Alexa's coming on that.
Maybe she'll come back. We'll see. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned again for more family meal preps, and we'll see you soon. Everybody say bye.
Bye.
Okay, hit stop, bro.